How to connect maps in Tata Nexon. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will learn how to connect Google Maps into your Tata Nexon's infotainment system using Android Auto. Whether you're planning a road trip or navigating daily commutes, this step-by-step guide will ensure you have an incredible navigation. Step 1. Prepare your smartphone and vehicle. Ensure your Android smartphone is running Android 6.0 or higher. Confirm that your Tata Nexon supports Android Auto. Activate Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location services on your phone. Ensure your vehicle is parked and the infotainment system is powered on. Step 2. Connect your phone to the infotainment system. Use a high-quality USB cable to connect your smartphone to the Nexon's USB port. On your phone, you may be prompted to download or update the Android Auto app. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. Once connected, the Android Auto interface should appear on your infotainment screen. Step 3. Launch Google Maps. On the infotainment screen, tap the Google Maps icon within the Android Auto interface. Google Maps will launch, allowing you to input your destination and begin the navigation. You can use voice commands by saying OK Google. Optional: wireless Android Auto setup. If your Tata Nexon supports wireless Android Auto, pair your smartphone with the vehicle's Bluetooth system. Once paired, Android Auto should launch automatically on the infotainment screen. Ensure that your phone's Wi-Fi and location services remain active for a better performance. And that's it. You successfully connected Google Maps to your Tata Nexon's infotainment system using Android Auto. Now enjoy smooth and convenient navigation on all your journeys. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe in the channel for more tips like this. Thanks. See you in the next video.